Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I want to show you my Nubian twist. Yes, these look like kinky twists, but trust me, these are Nubian twists with some kinks added. But then let me start this video by saying a very big thank you to the Beyond Beauty hair company from Amazon. Yes, Beyond Beauty, thank you so much for sending this hair to me. It's been a while, but I finally got this done. These are Nubian twists, and the Nubian twist hair, which came from Beyond Beauty. Their store is on Amazon. I mean, this is like the third or fourth time I'm using hair from their store, and so far it's been so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for sending this to me. They're so pretty, and the link to the store will be in my description. I think I'll be showing you right now. The hair is all done right now. Yeah, it's Nubian twist. I pre-twisted the hair, and this is a crochet, but I finished up with some individuals in the front here. So in the next few clips I'll be showing you the steps I followed, the steps I did, like, to get this looking like this, because this is a whole lot of hair and I honestly did not have the time to like do individuals of these on my head. Each pack of hair actually came with 50 pieces of spring twist hair, which I split in two. So each piece of hair gave me this two twists like this. Came from one piece of hair. The hair is 8 inches. Each pack of hair had 50 pieces, and I have 3 packs. Yes, they sent me 3 packs, so altogether that was on 300. Now 300 is a lot. That's why I was like, girl, you gotta crochet this in. So 300 altogether in my head right now. I have 300 twists in my hair. Yep, it's real full, like. So let me just stop talking now and let you watch the video again. Beyond Beauty, thank you so much. If you like my hair and you really want this look, you might want to check out their store, and the link to the hair directly to will be in my description. Thank you. In this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how I got my twists done. So I start by taking out one piece from the bundle. I fluff it out. I'm using one piece of hair to do 2 twists. So it's all fluffed out. I split it into 1, 2. One comes on this side, and then I start twisting. Basically, I twist this way. I twist this hair the way I twist what's it called, Senegalese twist. I actually twist as I twist. Like, if you can catch this clearly, I twist the hair, I roll the hair in my fingers as I twist. This is not the hair you want to twist loosely. If you did try to twist this hair like like you twist spring twist, you see this thing over here, this is what your Nubian twist will come out looking like. No, twist, 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 twist. You pretty much just twist all the way to the end. But I'm not going to be twisting this to the end, as you can see with these ones, because I plan on having curls, so I'd like, why bother twisting to the end? Then I'm still going to curl the ends anyway. Pretty much just twist all the way down. See? Twist, and my plan for this is I'm going to be using these are palm rods, not flexi rods. These are palm rods. Take this. Curl the hands up. And dip in boiling water. That's what I'll be doing. As it were, this Nubian twist hair kind of bears a similarity to the softer brands of Mali hair in terms of texture. So if you're doing this on your hair and you wanted to twist this on your hair from the roots, that'll be just fine. It's spring twist hair you don't really want to do that with, because that one tends to be soft and silky and will most likely slip out.